In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin favorite pages in Notion. If you're new to Notion or just looking to tidy up your workspace, pinning favorite pages is one of the simplest ways to keep your most important notes and dashboards one click away. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add pages to favorites, remove them when you're done, and reorder them so your sidebar reflects the way you actually work. First, let's talk about adding a page to favorites. Open the page you want to keep handy. At the top right of that page, you'll see a small star icon. Click that star. When it lights up, the page is now favorited, and you'll notice it appears in the Favorites section of your sidebar. This is perfect for daily notes, a project hub, meeting agendas, or any page you visit often. Think of favorites as your personal quick access list that stays consistent across your workspace. If you change your mind or a page no longer needs to be pinned, removing it is just as quick. With the page open, click the star again to toggle it off. You'll see the star change from filled to empty, and the page will disappear from your favorites. Another way is to hover over the page name directly in the sidebar. Click the three dots that appear next to it, then choose Remove from Favorites. Both options do the same thing, so use whichever feels faster in the moment. As your list grows, you'll want your favorites in an order that matches your routine. Reordering is simple. In the sidebar, click and hold any favorited page, then drag it up or down to where you want it. Release to drop it into place. A quick tip here. Put your highest frequency pages at the top and group related pages next to each other. This small habit saves time every day and keeps you focused. A couple of quick reminders as you go. If you don't immediately see the page in Favorites, give it a moment. Or make sure you're looking at the right workspace sidebar. And if your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so the Favorites section is visible. That's all there is to it. Click the star to add, click it again, or use the sidebar menu to remove, and drag to reorder. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.